Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can cancel order on Shein. Now, if you want to cancel an order on Shein, it's a very simple process. This highly depends on the seller. So first of all, you need to go ahead and log in into your Shein account. Once you're logged into your Shein account, that's going to direct you to the home page. Right on this page, you'll be able to see the interface, something like this. And over here, you need to go ahead and tap on the Me icon located in the bottom right hand side corner. After that, it's going to direct you to the profile info page, and right in between you can also see an option as my order. So go ahead and tap on view all right in the corner, cancel. Here you'll be able to find a product that you've actually ordered, and if you want to cancel the order, then you have to tap on the cancel button. However, as already mentioned before, that this highly depends on the seller. So if you don't see this option as, then it means you cannot cancel the order, or in most cases this kind of interface won't appear, but rarely this sort of interface might appear. So in that case, you'll not be able to cancel the order unless it arrives. So in that way, you can cancel order on Shein. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.